everyone, welcome to Traction. With us today is the co-founder and CEO of REIGO, a company that uses AI to provide real estate investors with optimized risk-reward. Good morning, Yariv. How has this COVID-19 crisis affected the real estate investment market?
Good morning, Arik. As you said, the current coronavirus crisis is challenging for many industries, including real estate. But with that said, we have identified a huge opportunity coming in the US residential short-term real estate debt market for investors who can act quickly and smartly. Unlike other sectors, office, hospitality, or retail, the residential sector is showing strength coming into this challenging environment. Home prices and rents payment have remained relatively stable during this period. If we take a look on the risk-reward aspect of lending money to real estate projects, though the Fed cut down the federal interest dramatically, the interest rate for the deals themselves have gone up aggressively. Today we are seeing deals selling for 10% or 11% annual interest, although the same deals previously were sold for 8% just 3 months ago. You see that the traditional risk-reward factors are in favor for investors in this market. And of course, the catch is that investors are taking a wait-and-see approach, right, due to market uncertainty. They don't know how to assess the risk in the new world.
Thank you for that, Yariv. So what do you think investors need in order to get back in the game? And what do you as REIGO provide? What would you say is your secret sauce?
So asset managers need to adjust their investments model to the new reality, right? Yesterday models are not relevant anymore. But how they work today? Investments firms are lending money to real estate projects by using archaic Excel models that have never been changed and based on limited personal experience. Decisions still being made out of gut feelings. REIGO is an AI-powered asset manager that uses the data science along with real estate expertise to make investment decisions. So our ability to use the current data to adapt models, build every week a new proven statistical models, allow us to make quick decisions and enable us to benefit from the new reality. Let's say, for example, experts are saying that cities heavily reliant on tourism will need 2% more risk premium, maybe 5%. They guess. We use machine learning models to test the current data, compare it to previous unemployment period, and adapt our investment strategy in a scientific way as much as we can. That will help investors and asset managers to take advantage of this market in coming years.
Let's talk a little bit about Traction. You've already used this technology to manage investments in the real estate market. Tell us what you've learned.
So we've launched our platform 18 months ago. Since then, we have done more than 230 real estate debt investments. 100 of them have already been paid back in full, and the rest are performing as expected and paying monthly interest, including during the last 3 challenging months. We've partnered with Meitav Dash, one of the biggest asset managers in Israel, and in January, we have launched together a new fund powered by REIGO technology that invests in the US short-term real estate debt. What we see is by cherry-picking the best loans using our platform, we can reduce a market of 6-7% non-performing loans rate to less than 1.
Thank you for that, Yariv. Where do you see this going? Where will the market be a few months from now?
We'll see a sharp rise in real estate transaction by the end of the year or early 2021. So I think the trend of the high interest rate you get for loans will be here for the next maybe 2 years. And this is the best time to invest in this market. But I think that, again, companies need to adjust their investments model. They cannot just rely on the old world before that. So this is the time for investors to position themselves in order to benefit from this market.
Thank you, Yariv. I really hope you're right about this. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Join us for another episode of Traction. See you now.